Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what I have here today is a Casablanca Delta 2 from 1988. Got this about a month ago off Marketplace for $20. This was a really bad picture that the seller took, and it looked like a Panama 5 3-speed at first, but no, it wasn't. It's my millionth Delta 2. But I'm happy I got it, mainly for the class, because it's really nice. It's on an LCA. It was originally $35, but I got it for $20. And the nut is broken on the light chain. I don't know what happened to that, but it was like that. But yeah, so these are the original bulbs. And I'll show you guys the tag. Knowing that this is from 1988, is for some odd reason it says Delta 2 on it. I don't know if you can see it better like that, but the tag says Delta 2 on it, because usually it's just blank, just as Casablanca's on the tree. I know some casts are like that. It's a little odd. I don't know why casts did that, but they did. Anyways, let's go to low. This is a really fast low, and it starts up really quick. Like, no other Casa I've seen starts up as fast as this one. It starts up faster than like an XLP, like 3-speed Casa. Here's low. 50-inch fan using glossed, I don't know what the hell this is. Yeah. Glossed walnut maybe? Who knows? So these came in a few different finishes featuring antique brass, which this one's in. White, well, snow white, classic white, antique white and brass, just plain old bright brass, white and brass. There was Ferrari red, decorator mauve, dusty rose, chrome, gloss black or black, whatever you want to call it, wash bronze, and many other finishes. Yeah, this is a very fast low, if anything. Here's medium. Has a little bit of bearing noise. I don't know if this has like a Samsung or Astrasin. Yeah, it has a first gen K4S. Second gen ones I'll give an example. This is a second gen one with it's like this. It goes up. It's not like flat like a switch cap. So yeah. High speed. Amazing performance as always. Flywheel I think might be a little warped, but it's no big deal. There's a little bit of bearing noise, but it doesn't bother me. And it didn't retract because it's like the chain's still stuck up in there. It just, here's spin down. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.